Hey guys, so today we'll be doing part 2 of the Pro Display installation. So what we're going to be doing in this video is just installing the software to get this up and running. As you can see, my one's already working, so I have the new option of S mode, Eco, Drive, and the Bluetooth does connect. And you would know when it's working when it shows the battery indicator. So let's get straight into it, guys. So what we need to do first is we need to load up an app on our phone. You would need an Android device for this, so let's get straight onto the phone. So guys, once you're on your phone, what you need to do first is download an app called DownG. I'm not going to waste my time showing you guys how to download it. It's fairly straightforward. Go into the Play Store and then search DownG, and it will be the first app. It will look like this, which is purple. M365 DownG. Don't open it yet, you won't need to. The next thing you'd need to do is download a file, which I'll leave links in our description. So this file you will find is called it's a BMS file, and the one you would need to upgrade and to make the display work is the Pro BMS 107 or 115 depending. Give both a try. Once you've downloaded it, save it somewhere that you'll find it quite easy. I'll show you what I mean. So the next thing we need to do is open DownG, and then you need to connect to your Xiaomi scooter. So the only way you can connect is by turning the Xiaomi on first, and then once it's turned on, press the connect button. And then look for your scooter. So my one's called the Mi Scooter 291F. Click on it, you hear your scooter beep, you know it's connecting. And then once it has connected, you'll see new options turn up. At the top it shows disconnect, check version, check battery info. So we want to, what you need to always do is check version, and it'll show you what version you're currently on. So I've upgraded my BMS to 116, and I've changed my other settings as well. So with this Pro display, what you will find is that the BLE, which is the Bluetooth, and the DRV do not work on the Pro display straight away when you're first getting it to work and up and running. What you only can install is the BMS, and that's all what's needed to get it to work straight away. So once you've checked version, it will now allow you to check your battery info. So you can check that if you want, just to make sure that you've got the correct version in place. And this also helps to make sure that to check if your scooter is upgradable for the speed hack. So then what you need to do is press open bin. You need to go to where you saved your file. You go into your file and then look for the BMS. So the one I will be leaving in the links is the BMS 107, and if this does change because of an update, then I'll be putting the latest one in there. Just download that one file, and then you need to extract it and then just save it where you need to save it on your phone for you to find. So let's just do the 115 for example. Then you need to press the flash bin, and you'll hear your scooter beep, and then it'll start to flash, and you'll see percentages as it's flashing. So you can see 20,
40, 60, 80.
And then once it's done, you would know, because it won't say complete or anything, it will just allow you at the bottom to open bin or flash bin. So what you need to do at this point is, before you even press check version, is to disconnect your scooter, which I'm just going to do now. So turn your scooter off, turn it back on, and then you need to reconnect. Sometimes you might need to close the app completely to reconnect it, but it should be fine. So then you just look for your scooter again, you hear the beep, it should connect again, just give it a bit of time. So once it's connected, check the new version. So as you can see, my BMS has now changed to 115. So that's as simple as it is, guys. There's nothing else. Your scooter will be ready to go and you can ride it as normal. It's not as complicated as other people say. You don't need to download the BLE or the DRV for the beginning stages just to get the screen up and running. You just need to download that. Potentially, my issues were if you try to download the other two in the first initial time of installation, you can brick your scooter and it freezes to the point where you cannot disconnect it till the battery completely drains out. So I'll just literally download the BMS only, and then once that works, then you can download the other ones. Yeah, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like and sub. Peace out.